Hey, what's up guys? It's 3 weeks to go to our Cambridge Bike Meet. I'm welcoming the Bare Knuckle Customs, fantastic airbrush artist, gonna be trading there with me, and Roll Steel Choppers as well, a custom frame and bike builder, you know, String, a good friend of mine as well. He will bring a couple of his fine machines for you to look at and have a chat with him. And on top of that, I'll have my stall. I'll be doing some pinstriping the day. Not airbrushing, because I can't do airbrushing on the show, but I'll be doing some pinstriping. So if you got any requests for your bike, your helmet or any other goodies, you come and see me. On top of that, I have some goods for sale as well, and I thought these bad boys, I'm gonna bring them back because they were very popular last time actually I've done them. They are knuckle duster mugs, novelty item by the way. Perfectly usable piece of kit, very nice. I've got them all in black. I'm gonna stripe them for you right now, and they'll be available to pick up on a day which is the 2nd of June 2018. Yeah, I'll have some other items as well with me, but I thought this little guy fits in a box like this, and if you come in on the motorcycle, it'll be easy for you to put this in the back of in the backpack or something. So I'm gonna have a few of these ready if you wanna pick it up on a day. Let me stripe them for you. Might as well take you on the journey with me, why not? Grab a beer and enjoy the paint flowing. Our Cambridge Bike Meet, once again a reminder, it's happening on Saturday the 2nd of June, which is 3 weeks away from now on. I'm gonna drop a Facebook event, kind of group event that one of my mates created. Link over there, link is underneath the video, click on it, do whatever you do on Facebook. I'm not a Facebook guy, so you can, I think, commit, you're gonna attend, or you're interested in that shit or something like this, or post a question or whatever you want. Link below the video. Saturday the 2nd of June, Cambridge Bike Meet. So there we go, guys. These bad boys will be available on the day which is the 2nd of June. in Cambridge on the Cambridge Bike Meet, which is only about 10 minutes this way from where I'm standing anyway. I've got 10 of these black guys with little knuckle duster kind of handle things. Really nice, popular item. I do like them. Different designs, so you can pick them up on a day. Guys, once again, thank you very much for watching. Have a bit, rock hard, and I'll see you on the bike meet. I know a lot of you are coming, and I'm looking forward to it. So see you then.